I'm always looking for these moments of stillness throughout the day. You know, for me, that's what meditation is. It's just stillness. So the first thing that comes with that stillness is turning this off, okay? Because this is where a lot of the noise and a lot of the anxiousness stems from. And then wherever I'm at in a room, I sit down, make sure my feet are planted firmly on the ground. I put my hands by my sides just like this, flat, and I take a deep breath. And I exhale. I take another deep breath. And I exhale. And then I just be still.
That was one of Charlamagne Tha God's favorite solutions to tackle fear and anxiety head on. Now he wants to help all of you do the same. Beth is here. She says the daily stress of life is getting to her. She doesn't know how to cope.
What up, Beth?
Hello.
So what's bringing on the stress? What's going on?
Well, I'm a stay-at-home mom to 3 kids, 2 of which are school-aged. So, you know, social media, you see news articles, bad things are happening almost every day. Also, just being a stay-at-home mom, you know, daily task of getting everyone bathed, fed, safe. You know, anxiety, I get that tightness in my chest and those sleepless nights worrying about what could possibly happen. It's all irrational, but, you know, you can't help it sometimes.
But it may not be the most rational thing, but it's real, which
Yeah,
is actually
it's
what
real.
we're going to deal with. So what do you hear in this story, Charlamagne?
All my problems. I'm hearing some parental paranoia because you're worried about what's going to happen to your kids. I'm hearing about the anxiety that social media causes, simply because social media is creating this unattainable picture of perfection.
Yes.
That for whatever reason they want our virtual lives to be like our real lives now, which we know is not reality. We all
happy.
Yeah, everybody makes mistakes. Sometimes you're down, sometimes you're not feeling good. So I'm hearing my story in Beth's story.
Awesome.
You know what? If you still mind, I'm going to take you through 3 steps. You stay right here, listen
All right.
carefully, and if you're not happy at the end, let me know.
I will.
Sean, coming over here.
Okay.
He's got 3 lessons he wants to share with all of us. The first lesson is about FOMO, and he wants us to forget the FOMO, which is fear of missing out.
Yes.
So,
Fear of missing out. You're not missing anything. So sometimes it's perfectly fine to just turn your phone off, put it upstairs, and just walk away from it for a couple hours.
I actually sort of feel better
Yeah.
when I'm not checking and taking the pings and everything else.
Yeah.
All right, come on over. So that's the first one. Second is unpacking this parental paranoia that Beth brought up and you acknowledging. By the way, congratulations. 3rd child, just had a 3rd baby.
3rd girl, too, by the way.
It's even better. I had 3 girls, too.
3rd girl, so pray for me.
So how does this affect you? And how does it create the anxiety?
Oh, man, I mean, I just think that's something that, you know, I don't think it'll ever go away. You know, it really makes you appreciate your parents more. When I see a school shooting, when I hear about, you know, women getting abused, like I think about all of that because I got, you know, 3 little girls. So I don't know if that's something that's supposed to go away. I feel like that's that parental paranoia that just kind of keeps you on top of your game. Like you got to micromanage your situation when it comes to your kids, right?
Come on over. You actually gave your parents a good reason to be worried.
Yeah, because I was selling crack.
Yes, you were selling crack. That's the difference.
Yeah.
All right. And finally, fear. F-E-A-R, the acronym. And you say we need to rise from fear. So there's most people think about fear in one way. And please, if you don't mind, explain that way. And then explain how you think about fear.
Well, you know, for me, fear is an acronym. I got to salute one of my homegirls. Her name is Kay Fox. She sent me this one day, and it just, like, resonated with me so much. And, you know, fear is you can either face everything and rise or forget everything and run. You know, we run away from our dreams. We run away from our aspirations. We run away from things just because we don't even want to deal with it. And that's not reality, right? Like, forget everything and run. Are you going to face everything and rise? Some of us just tend to run away.
Yeah.
Because you can either choose to show up or you can choose not to show up.
Charlamagne, my friend.
Yeah,
My God.
absolutely.
All right. Shook One is raw,
My
it's
man.
real, it could change your relationship with anxiety forever. Pick it up. We'll be right back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.